This exercise is a triceps exercise where you are going to offer some external resistance as a partner or an assistant. So, for example, if she had suffered a stroke on the left side and this arm was weaker, and I was trying to give her help to regain strength of the tricep exercise, of the tricep muscle, one such way I can do that. Again, I support the arm, because if she had suffered a stroke of the left arm, the shoulder muscle would also be weaker and that shoulder joint would be vulnerable. What I don't want is for this arm to be unsupported, putting undue strain on the shoulder joint. So for the triceps exercise where I am offering resistance, she'll start at this position here. Put my hand here, she'll press down, and back up, press down, back up. As she gets stronger and stronger, we would apply more and more resistance to the muscle, making it more and more challenging. Remember, if we stay at one level, it is unlikely the person is going to make continuous progress. So always aim to increase the resistance that you're applying while doing the exercise with the person. And after you complete the required amount of repetitions as prescribed by the therapist, you take a break. So,